Understanding PAN, Permanent Account Number, in India. PAN is a unique alphanumeric ID issued by India's Income Tax Department to track financial transactions and ensure tax compliance for individuals, companies, and other entities. 1. Purpose. PAN is primarily used as a means of identification for individuals and entities undertaking financial transactions. It helps in linking various financial activities, such as tax payments, investments, property transactions, bank accounts, and other financial dealings to facilitate tax administration and prevent tax evasion. 2. Format. PAN is a 10-character alphanumeric code, typically in the format AA9999A, where the first 5 characters are letters from A to Z. The next 4 characters are numbers from 2000 to 9. The last character is a letter from A to Z, which is a checksum digit used for verification purposes. 3. Application and issuance. PAN can be obtained by applying to the Income Tax Department through authorized agencies such as NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, or UTI-ITSL, UTI Infrastructure Technology and Services Limited. Individuals can apply for PAN through Form 49A, while entities such as companies, firms, and trusts can apply through Form 49A. Upon verification of the application and supporting documents, the Income Tax Department issues a unique PAN to the applicant. 4. Importance. PAN is necessary for financial activities like filing tax returns, opening bank accounts, conducting high-value transactions, buying, selling property, investing, or applying for loans. It helps in linking financial transactions and tracking tax compliance, enabling tax authorities to identify and penalize tax evaders. 5. Validity. PAN is a permanent and lifelong identification number, which remains unchanged even if there are changes in the individual's or entity's name, address, or other details. However, changes in personal information need to be updated with the Income Tax Department through the prescribed procedures. 6. Verification. PAN details can be verified online through the Income Tax Department's website or other authorized platforms by entering the PAN number. This allows individuals and entities to confirm the validity and authenticity of PAN details provided by others. 7. Confidentiality. PAN information is confidential and protected under the Income Tax Act, and its unauthorized disclosure or misuse is subject to penalties and legal action.